In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download BlueStacks X on a laptop. This process is straightforward and will enable you to run Android applications seamlessly on your Windows laptop. BlueStacks X, also known as BlueStacks 10, is designed to enhance your gaming experience by combining local and cloud-based services. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you have everything set up correctly. First, open your web browser. This is a simple yet crucial step. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. The browser is your gateway to downloading the necessary installer. Once you have it open, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Remember, a reliable internet connection will help speed things up. Next, go to the official BlueStacks website. You can do this by typing in the URL www.bluestacks.com. This page is the starting point for downloading BlueStacks X. It's important to ensure you are on the official site to avoid any malicious downloads. Always verify the URL before proceeding, as this helps maintain your device's security and ensures you get the latest version of the software. Now click on the download button that says Download BlueStacks 10 inches or X. This action initiates the download process. You will see a prompt or a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is essential because it allows you to obtain the installer needed for the installation. Once you see the downloading progress, you can take a moment to prepare for the next step. After the download is complete, wait for the installer file, which will have the.exe extension to finish downloading. This file is what you'll need to install BlueStacks X on your laptop. It's vital to ensure that the download completes without interruption. If everything goes smoothly, you will be ready to move to the installation process. Double-click the installer file to start the installation. This action opens the installation wizard. You may see a security prompt asking for permission to run the installer. Click Yes to allow it to proceed. This step is important as it ensures that the installation has the necessary permissions to make changes to your system. You will see the installation process begin shortly after. Next, click the Install button in the installation wizard. This begins the actual installation of BlueStacks X on your laptop. The installer will copy files and set up the application on your device. This process may take a few minutes, so patience is key here. You will see a progress bar indicating how far along the installation is, which helps keep you informed about the process. Once the installation finishes, you will be prompted to launch BlueStacks X. You can launch it directly from the installer or find it on your desktop or in the Start menu. If you see the BlueStacks icon, click it to start the application. This confirmation assures you that the installation was successful and you are now ready to explore the features of BlueStacks X. If you want to sign in, open BlueStacks X after launching it. Click on Login in the upper right corner of the application. Signing in with your BlueStacks account or Google account will allow you to sync your preferences and access additional features. This step is optional but highly recommended. It enhances your experience by keeping your settings consistent across devices. Now, if BlueStacks X doesn't appear and you only see BlueStacks 5, don't worry. This is usually expected behavior. The current installer bundles BlueStacks X and BlueStacks 5 together. BlueStacks 5 serves as your local Android app player, while BlueStacks X provides cloud gaming and game discovery. Understanding this distinction helps clarify the functionality you have available. As a note, recent versions of BlueStacks have started referring to the BlueStacks X experience as the BlueStacks Store. However, it is still installed alongside BlueStacks 5 and maintains the same cloud gaming capabilities. This information is crucial for navigating your new setup effectively. With these steps, you are now equipped to download and install BlueStacks X on your laptop successfully. Enjoy the enhanced gaming experience that awaits you.